How to fix WhatsApp calls problem. In today's video, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix the WhatsApp calls problem easily and fast. So the first way is you have to go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for the WhatsApp and then make sure that you have the latest version. If you don't have it, then you have to update your WhatsApp. The second way is you have to open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, go to the WhatsApp app, and on this page you have to click on force stop. That's the second way. The third way and the last one is you have to change the network or the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. For example, I'm connected into this Wi-Fi and I should just change it into another network. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.